In conclusion, career transitions don't happen overnight. There is no shortcut to becoming a data expert. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence and other technological advancement. If this is your first time seeing me or seeing any of my content, you're welcome to this community. Click on the subscribe button to be part of this amazing community and on the notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever I post any new video. Data roles have been one of the most attractive careers in recent years. The demand for qualified data professionals is continuously rising as companies realize the power of data and want to use it to drive intelligent business decisions. Now, many people with non-quantitative backgrounds are now actively searching for ways to transition to data because of the rise in demand. In this video, I'll discuss practical steps to transition into the data-related fields. Before we kick off, ensure you've liked, shared, and subscribed. It's totally free. Click on the notification bell to get updated whenever I post any new video. First and foremost, it is crucial to adopt an analytical mindset. This means approaching problems with an open mind and relying on data to make conclusions. Great data experts use data to draw conclusions. They don't approach a question or a problem with a preconceived answer. Having an analytical mindset is one of the most essential truths about a career in data, which you should embrace before beginning a career change. If you haven't had much exposure to working with or using data, one way to gain some practical step is by focusing on your everyday statistics and numbers in your life. Next time you need to take a stance or a topic at a company meeting or with friends, ask yourself these questions. From what am I deriving this information? What data supports my position? Or what data contradicts my position? Having this mindset would help you transition easily. The next step is to familiarize yourself with the various roles within the data space or the data universe. Whether you are aspiring to be a data scientist, data analyst, business analyst, or any related role, understanding the skills and tools required for each role is essential. Take the time to research and identify the path that aligns with your interests and career goals. The next is to evaluate your current skills and knowledge and identify areas for improvement. Technical proficiency is key in data-related roles, encompassing a combination of programming, statistics, and domain expertise. Identify your area of strength and weakness. Start with the foundational skills such as Excel, SQL, and basic quantitative analysis. Then progress to more advanced tools like Python, R, or statistical analysis. With some technical skills, for example, starting with Excel, knowing pivot tables, formulas, and visualization is often enough to start delivering business value. For SQL, writing basic queries to get data, join tables, aggregating data, and creating new columns. With other tools like Tableau or Power BI, learning how to import or connect to databases, clean the data, and also create quick visuals that answers quick questions is very important. Basic quantitative abilities like calculating mean, median, percentage, rates, minimum and maximum, also figuring out when to use this for your analysis is very important. Once you're comfortable with the above list, I recommend that you go into more advanced things like programming with Python or R, like data cleaning with pandas, data visualization using packages like Matplotlib or Seaborn, Plotly, or Ggplot is very essential. In order to acquire any of these technical skills, there are different online platforms where you could take courses, bootcamps, or certifications. Some of these platforms include YouTube, Udemy, Coursera, Kaggle, or any other dedicated website or platforms for trainings. Some of these courses can be free or paid for. I advise you go for the free courses first before committing your finance to paying for these courses. By taking free courses, it helps you gauge your interest and ability if you really want to take that course. For example, you're using Udemy, just go On the search bar, type the course you want to take or the skill you want to acquire, and you see different videos or different learning materials on that topic. Hands-on experience is invaluable in the world of data, whether it is through project at work or personal project. Applying your skills to real-world problems demonstrates your ability to potential employers. Aim to tackle a variety of projects to showcase your versatility, technical skills, and problem-solving abilities. The best way to do this is to get open source datasets, analyze and apply what you've learned, and see if you can start solving business problems. You can also ask your colleagues or data professionals around you to see what they think about what you've done and the areas where you need improvement. I recommend doing at least 3 to 5 different projects. The more, the better. The goal is to have enough projects to demonstrate your skills in SQL, Tableau, Power BI, Python, R, or any other tool you wish. Also, the more projects you have, the more you have to talk about during job interviews. Building a portfolio is essential for showcasing your work to prospective employers. Platforms like Kaggle, GitHub, and LinkedIn provide opportunities to showcase your projects, your data analysis or visualization work you've done. A strong portfolio not only highlights your technical skills but also demonstrates your passion and dedication to data. Finally, don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with professionals in the data science or data analysis community through online forums, networking events, and social media platforms. Expanding your network can lead to valuable connections, mentorship opportunities, and potential job prospects. In conclusion, career transitions don't happen overnight. There is no shortcut to becoming a data expert. Transitioning to a data career requires dedication, continuous learning, and perseverance. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.